Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you what to do in case your account gets restricted on Facebook for an hour. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So obviously when you open Facebook application, you get the error message that reads your account is restricted for an hour. So here's how you can get through this. Either you wait for an hour and then after an hour your account will be unrestricted by Facebook on its own, or you can go ahead and post an appeal to Facebook support. So if you want to post an appeal, go ahead and screenshot that window where it says your account is restricted for an hour. After that, tap on the three-barred menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. On doing so, you'll be able to see the gear icon. Tap on it. On doing so, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the help and support section. Tap on it. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem again. Tap on include. Now go ahead and select the category that best suits you. Suppose if you can't access to your feed because your account is restricted, go ahead and select feed. Now there will be a default attachment on the report. Go ahead and cross that out by tapping on the cross icon that appears on top of this image. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on upload from phone and upload the screenshot that you've just taken. This will lead you to your gallery and select that image that you've just taken. Once you've done that, go ahead and on the text box describe your issue. On the text box, describe how you haven't violated any type of community guidelines and that you want your Facebook account to be reviewed so that it will be unrestricted by Facebook. Once you've done that, you'll be able to send the report to Facebook, and on doing so, Facebook will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. If it isn't, then the only way you can get through this is to wait the amount of time that the Facebook specifies you to wait. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.